guys, it's Shivani Mehta and today we are making Vietnamese dal pepper rolls, which is a proper Thai style cooking, but I have done a kind of a Indo-Western fusion to it. So by adding tur dal tadka along with rice noodles and lots of Thai sauces and vegetables along with hot vinegar dip and covered by rice paper. So let's get started.